Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to describe 5 common trading mistakes. And these are mistakes that I made before becoming profitable, and I bet you're making some of them too. So number 1, trading too many pairs. We all want to get rich quickly in crypto, but some of us, in trading especially, we focus on so many different pairs, so many different altcoins. But what I found is that when you focus on fewer pairs, for example 1 or 2 pairs, max 4 pairs, you understand the support and resistance levels of those pairs a lot better. And it's also an element of safety as well. Whenever there's a black swan event, or when the market goes in an unfavorable direction, you just get stopped out of 1 or 2 positions at the maximum when you focus on fewer pairs. But when you have 10 different altcoins and 10 different instruments when you're trading, when the market goes against you, you get stopped out of everything. And you don't want to become a jack of all trades as well. It's better to be a master of one. Number 2, indicator overload. In trading, we get so excited by so many different indicators. We first of all start with RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and then none of those works. Now we see someone else using the same things and even more indicators, so we copy them. And then once those things don't work out, we add more and more and more. What I've realized that is, it's better to just use fewer indicators, like 3, 4, 5 at the most, that really suit your trading style. And perhaps have a couple in each category, for example trend lines, momentum, volatility, rather than trying to overload your brain with so many different indicators. And many of these indicators are just showing us what we already know and just reaffirming our bias. And we also need indicators to actually show retail participation. For example, we just see order flow, volume profile, those indicators as well to really see the habits of retail traders. And so sometimes less is more. Number 3, poor risk management. Everybody wants to get rich quickly in crypto and trading, but trading is about risking small amounts of your account and trading high probability setups, but it's also about growing your account exponentially, but risking small amounts of your account in a really organic way, so that you can really stand the test of time in trading. And so at the most, I recommend risking 1 to 2% of your account per trade. And so that way, it only takes you 50 to 100 attempts to actually blow up your account. And so you really have enough time and attempts to see if the strategy works. Number 4, not using stop losses properly. I remember when I started trading, often I would be in a drawdown, and instead of cutting my losses, I would just wait. I would often double down on my losses, and the hole would just get bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually I would exit at a much bigger loss. So sometimes it's better to just use a stop loss to exit your position at a small 1% loss rather than doubling down on your losers. And this way, you get to live to fight another day in trading. And at a stop loss, it's not so much what's the maximum amount of money that I can lose. A stop loss is more at which point do I accept that I'm wrong in the trade. And a stop loss you have to predefine before entering a trade, and it is an important part of trade management. And last but not least, number 5, not testing on demo account enough. We're all excited to get rich quickly in trading, but ultimately it's about having an organic process that you cannot rush. You have to back test various different strategies, and it's better to use a demo account first so you can really fine tune your learning curve whilst not risking too much. And I'm not saying you have to go do demo account for months on ends. I'm just saying a couple of weeks to a month, and then move to a real account. Of course you have to trade on a real account to really learn the lessons of trading and for the lessons to actually stick. So guys, these are the 5 common trading mistakes that I see people make, and these are the mistakes that I had to really overcome before becoming profitable. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.